Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where we solve real Olympiad level problems step by step. No shortcuts, no memorization. Today's problem tests logic, not formulas. So stay till the end if you really want to think like an Olympiad student. I guarantee one thing, after watching this solution, you will say this problem was so much easy. So today's problem is 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power y plus 3 raised to power z equals 837. You have to find the value of x, y and z. So how we will start this question? We will solve this as, first of all, we will take 3 raised to power z is common from this. So 3 raised to power z is common. So remaining is 3 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power z plus 3 raised to power y by 3 raised to power z and plus 3 raised to power z by 3 raised to power z, and this equal 837. Now 3 raised to power z and 3 raised to power z will be cancelled out and remaining will be 1, and we also write this as 3 raised to power z, and this will be 3 raised to power x minus z plus 3 raised to power y minus z plus 1, and this equal 837. Now we can write this as 837 can be write as 3 cube multiply 837 can be write as 3 cube multiply 31. So that means when these are equal, so 3 raised to power z equal 3 raised to power 3, which implies z equals 3. So this is the value of z. Now we write 3 raised to power x minus z plus 3 raised to power y minus z plus 1 equals 31. Now in place of z, we will substitute its value, that is 3. So 3 raised to power x minus 3 plus 3 raised to power y minus 3 plus 1 equals 31. Now this one is added, it will be subtracted to this side. So we get 3 raised to power x minus 3 plus 3 raised to power y minus 3. 31 minus 1 will be 30. So we will solve this further as we can write 3 raised to power x minus 3 plus 3 raised to power y minus 3, that equals 30. So we will write in the next step as this will become equals by taking 3 raised to power y minus 3 is common from this. So we write 3 raised to power y minus 3 is common. So remaining is 3 raised to power x minus 3. We will write 3 raised to power x minus 3, and this is divided by 3 raised to power y minus 3 plus 1. Because when we take 3 raised to power y minus 3 is common from this, so we get 1, and that equals 30. So we write 3 raised to power y minus 3 into 3 raised to power x minus 3 minus y plus 3 and plus 1 equals 30. Now minus 3 and plus 3 both are cancelled out, and we have 3 raised to power y minus 3 can be write as 3 raised to power x minus y equals 30. Now in the next step, 3 raised to power x minus y plus 1. Now we can write 30 as 3 raised to power y minus 3 into 3 raised to power x minus y plus 1. 30 can be write as 3 multiplied 10, which implies 3 raised to power y minus 3 equal 3 raised to power 1. When the bases are same, power is also same, so y minus 3 equals 1, so y equals 4. We get the value of y, that is 4. Now 3 raised to power x minus 3, x minus y plus 1 equal 10. Now 10 is subtracted from this, so 10 minus 1 will be 9. So 3 raised to power x minus y equals 9. And 9 can be write as 3 squared. So 3 raised to power x minus y. Now x minus y equals 2. We will solve this further here that x minus y is 2. But the value of y is 4, so x minus 4 is 2. So x equals 2 plus 4, that means x equals 6. So you can see we have find the value x equals 6, y equals 4 and z equals 3. So we will write answer x equals 6, y equals 4 and z equals 3. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Now in the last, we will do the verification. So for verification, we will substitute its value. So 3 raised to power 6 plus 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 raised to power 3. Now we can take 3 raised to power 3 as common. So remaining is 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 4 will have 3 and this will be 1. That means 27. 3 multiply 3 times. So 27 plus 3 plus 1. So 27 plus 3 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So 27 into 31. We will multiply this. 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2. Then 7 threes are 21 and 3 twos are 6, 7, 8. So this equals 837. That equals right hand side. So by taking left hand side, we have proved right hand side. That means this is our answer. So subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for more upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Stay tuned. Best of luck for your exam. Keep learning, keep growing.